For the first time ever in the 50th year of pro motocross, the contingency has reached double digits in the millions at $13.1 million given out, or going to be given out this year for racers and prize money, whatever you want to call it. And this comes straight from an email from MX Sports Pro Racing. So a little quote right here from, what's his name? Roy Jansen, Managing Director, MX Sports Pro Racing. Quote, the continued investment from the sport's competing manufacturers to provide benefits for those who compete on their behalf is invaluable to the overall success of the Lucas Oil Pro Motocross Championship. Even in the face of uncertainty over the past 2 seasons, our manufacturers never wavered in their commitment to the sport. The unprecedented level of support from our OEMs this season is a testament to their ongoing dedication to not only be competitors in the championship, but also partners in the longevity of the world's most prestigious off-road motorcycle racing series, which will reach the half-century mark this summer for a landmark season that will further deepen the incredible legacy of American motocross. So, I did a little digging, and I'm looking right now at Gas Contingency, which, for the round I'm going to be going to, Southwick, we got... the contingency is the same for 450 and 250, so I'm not going to go over both. But first place 15 grand, second place 10 grand, third 7,500, fourth 5,000, fifth 4,000, sixth 3,000, seventh 2,000, eighth 1,000, ninth 900, 10th 800, 11th 700, and then from 12th to 20th it's $600. And 21st to 40th, or last, it's $400. So that's just gas. I'm not going to go and look and, all the things, because obviously there's gas, Kawasaki, KTM, Husqvarna, Honda, Suzuki, all the OEMs are part of this. Like, it's not just a couple of them that are putting up more money, or... Yeah, gas, Honda, Husqvarna, KTM, Kawasaki, Suzuki, Yamaha. They're all putting up more money. And considering this is the first time that the contingency has ever reached double digits, it's not like it's 10.1 or 10.5. No, it's 13.1. Like, if they're first time going over double digits in millions, and they're 3 million over the double digit mark, that's pretty good. That's like a large chunk of money. And also a big upgrade or uptick, whatever you want to call it, in contingency for the racers. Which, it's great, because obviously you have to have a full series. You have to have all the gates full. You have to have everyone, you have all the factory riders, of course, who are going to be up front racing, and, probably the ones that are going to be winning. But you have to have from 21st to 40th, or 11th to 40th, you have to have those gates full so people... the track looks full. The racing is, is racing all over the place instead of just like 10 guys circulating. But tell me what you think in the comments below. Do you think that's enough money? Do you think that's a good abortion, or there should be more? Whatever it is, I'll see y'all later. Peace.